Hey, Casey. Getting ready for the big horse to come out of the trailer. Got to stretch for this one. She got her pack with her. Okay.
Hey, going in.
Go. Have at it. Be careful. Uh-oh. German on it. Here we go. Scary part. Go help, Lakota. Go see. Oh, it's coming out the other side.
Where are your colors today?
Oh my.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Oh, very good. Oh, look. And off. Oh. Very good. Slide stop. Love it.
This is the dangerous part.
Okay.
The release.
Here we go. Let's zoom in again. Okay. Woo! Ta-da!
There it is, Wade.
Way to go, team! Good job!
What do you think of her racing potential?
I love it. Okay.
How was my stride? Okay.
It was awesome. Yeah, you guys did great.
Sylvia, all I want to do is look good.
Mission accomplished.
All right.
Perfect.
Okay.